Hello everyone, welcome back to science. We heard from Mr. Kennard all about the periodic table and different types of elements. But have you ever wondered, what is food made out of? Like, look at these apples. Sure, they have some fruit, fleshy parts that we eat. There's the skin of the apple, the stem. We might go a little deeper down and think, okay, well, there's fiber, there's sugars, there's some pigments of green or red or yellow. But what is it made of? What I would like you to do is open up your Notability and in your science journal section, make a new note called Element Thoughts. And I'd like you to answer this question. What makes up the substances on Earth? Go ahead and pause the video and type for about 2 or 3 minutes on what makes up the substances on Earth. And once you get done with that, why don't you come back to this video? So go ahead and pause right now.
Few moments later.
Okay, welcome back. You should have answered that question in Notability, and now we're going to move on to an element hunt. I'm going to have you search for some elements in 2 places online, Walmart.com and Amazon.com. I have those opened up and ready to go. We'll start in Walmart.com. I'm going to click in the top corner, and then I'm going to scroll down, food, household, and pets. I'm going to come up and I'm going to click shop all food. And then over on Amazon, I'm going to go over here and scroll down to food and grocery. I'm going to click that, and then I'm going to click pantry. So I'm on Amazon Prime Pantry, and I'm on the food section of Walmart, or pick a food, or here, chocolate. I'm not a big chocolate guy, but maybe you like chocolate. I'm going to choose M&Ms, peanut M&Ms here. I click that. Now on the side, I can get some pictures. I'm going to scroll down, and here's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the nutrition facts and the ingredient list. Let me go over to Amazon Pantry. Here we go. Lots of different things we can choose from. You know, I'm going to, let me check out this rice-a-roni right here. And once again, I can look on the side and see all of the different ingredients in here and some nutrition information. If you're doing this at your home, why don't you go ahead and look and see what items you have lying around your house. Try for food first. We're going to try to do food all together here. And what I'm going to need you to do is there is a link outside this video on this page that has a file that you can download, and you're going to save that into your science notebook. And what I want you to do is list any of the elements that you think you found in these ingredients here. I'm going to show you how to fill this out. And so we're going to use that Amazon Prime rice-a-roni thing, and I'll fill it out together with you on my iPad. So now I'm in Notability, and I have this pulled up from my science journal. It's elements in products. Let's go ahead and draw a text box in here and type it out. Now I need to look at the label and figure out, are there any elements that I know or recognize? Okay, now I need to look at the label and try to figure out, are there any elements that I recognize? Some of them might appear exactly on your periodic table of elements. Like, for example, I see iron on there. I see calcium, potassium. What else do I see on here? Sodium. I see something on here that I don't recognize, but it sounds like it could be on the periodic table. Sulfate. Do we see anything else? Hydrolyzed corn protein. Well, I know corn's not on the periodic table. Protein's not on it. But hydrolyzed. I wonder if that is something that's on the periodic table. I'm going to write it down just in case. I can look in a little bit. Once you have written down some elements, please continue to fill out the products on the left side with elements that you found on the right side. Some things that you're unsure of, maybe check out online and see what it's made out of. I see something on here that says niacin. I don't think that's an element, but it kind of sounds scientific. Why don't I check it out in Wikipedia? I've typed niacin. Now I'm going to scroll down, and under properties, I can see a chemical formula for niacin. Carbon 6, hydrogen 5, nitrogen, oxygen 2. I know those are elements. So after looking up the chemical formula, I can add those elements into the element description. Once you've filled out your elements and products, scroll down and answer these questions below. Once you've answered these questions, please make sure to upload and submit this document for a grade.